You might ask actually why Glycidia in between two areca. Actually, Glycidia is a legume plant and it's a perennial legume plant and with taproot system. So the root system of the Glycidia is taproot, and it goes very deep into the soil and brings nutrients up, and it fixes nitrogen, so no need to apply urea or DAP. And when we cut, it regrows again, and the nutrients that it has bought beneath the soil is recycled as and made as humus on top, and that humus is source of glucose for the bacteria and virus and protozoa, and they are in turn fed by earthworm. So we only see earthworm, we don't see those microbes, but actually they are the source of everything. Our soil is host to billions and billions of microorganisms. Each gram of soil holds billions of microorganisms. So weeds are the source of glucose for them. Every organism on this earth need glucose for energy. So the weeds, the starch in the weeds are the source of glucose for those microbes. Weeds are good for your farm. Don't kill it. Only this grass is harmful because it won't die. So what we do, we just allow the weeds to take over the farm. So weeds block sunlight to the grass, and the grass won't grow. So you can see there is no grass, actually everything is died. And this banana also makes huge biomass, and it gives income, and you can see how good our farm is. We haven't applied any fertilizers, and we don't water regularly. The moisture is intact and farm looks good. You might see how some people will say how dirty is your farm, but they won't understand the importance of weeds. You can see, and we have planted one banana for each areca, and we have kept only one plant so that shade areca will get sunlight. Shade it won't make any shade, and banana gives income, and it makes very huge amount of biomass to the soil, and we are planning to introduce some legume weeds. So we will collect seeds from the roadsides. There are many legume weeds we can find locally. No need to buy Diancha or Sunhemp seeds. Lot of legume weeds. I don't know the names of those weed plants, but I will collect those weeds and I will put. This is Sespenia. Actually, this is also a legume perennial plant. This is Sespenia. You can see how big it is. Actually, the Sespenia is a legume dicot plant, and banana and areca are monocot. So there is no competition of food in the roots. Actually, both are different, and the legumes are the real producers of food. Actually, they fix nitrogen, and both nitrogen and carbon which are in the air, and these monocot areca and banana, they only take actually what fix carbon. So the legume plants can be said as real food makers, and plant and these weeds are also very good for the farm. They fix what carbon, and if we have nitrogenous leguminous weeds, they fix extra nitrogen. So, and again I tell to the farmers, no need to apply any fertilizers. They will imbalance the ecosystem and create more problems. So when you approach the farm agriculture department, they only suggest weedicide or pesticide or fertilizers, like that. Everything is made by our system, so we have to give the nature to take over everything, and it fixes the problem. When you apply DAP or urea, and again the more problems will be created, and so the problems increases and expenses increases. When you leave it to the nature, it takes its course, and fixed nitrogen, humus will be great, and water problem will be solved. If you don't we if you keep the weeds intact, it suppresses the grass, and it makes huge humus. It dies in 3 months. It makes huge humus. Again, it releases seeds, and again they will come up, and again they in the rainy season again they will grow. So it lot